The final one, I would like to share also a use case for the DJI's docking station. I guess also, drones have been used really a lot of times for the law enforcement and for public safety for responding to different types of accident. But here, in this case study that happened in Iceland, so the Civil Protection Team of Iceland, they're using also new technology, the DJI dock system, to respond to a serious or a volcano that happened to them. So here also, let's.
In November, we started to install our first DJI dock in the town of 𝗟𝗏𝗀𝗃. We use the docks to monitor the situation.
We are here in 𝗟𝗏𝗃 right now, and we are checking on the dock. We have flown it about 300 times.
We put a siren and a strobe light on our Matrix 30T. In the case of evacuation, we can launch the drone and let people know that danger is ahead. We needed to evacuate 𝗟𝗏𝗃 because of possible magma tunnel under the town.
Yeah. So I guess that's only a video clip of the older story, but I think you can also get the idea. By using the dock remotely deployed in the city, it can respond to the accident in a really timed fashion and also without putting those law enforcement officers at risk. So it could be a new way for the public safety agencies to responding to different kinds of natural disaster like earthquakes or the fires, and also like other these volcano and the other disasters. So it's also one of the latest technologies from DJI that has also a lot of potential in the other industries.